Welcome to the Family Feud.
Hello, I'm Jessica, a Family Feud superfan. I don't know why people still use Family Feud PowerPoint templates. With tools like TriviaMaker, creating custom Family Feud games is easier than ever. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the TriviaMaker dashboard. So once you log in, hit Create Games, pick a list, and choose your game theme from 5 options. Click Next, then name your game, add a description, and boom, you're ready to start adding questions. Step 2. Add game details. See those icons up top? That's your control panel, where you can add it to playlists, share, clone, and all that jazz. Easy, right? Now, sort it into a category, add some tags, and set the age level and difficulty. Oh, and if you want, pick a language for the game. Step 3. Creating questions. To add questions, you have several options. For now, I'll go with A, I generated questions. Simply enter your topic, click Generate, select the questions you like, and hit Add. Once you're satisfied, click Save to finalize them. Step 4. Customize your game appearance. Customize the font, button, background colors, and font style to your liking, using stock colors for now. Let's add a logo and background image. I've downloaded the perfect ones for this game. For the theme song, we'll stick with stock options. Now, I'll click Save to apply the changes. Step 5. Start playing. Scroll up, tap the play button, and choose your preferred mode. For now, let's go with Basic mode, followed by Let's Play to start. You'll land on the gameplay page. Click Round 1. Once you see the question, tap it to view the answer page. Oh, notice the top and bottom panels on both sides? That's your inner control panel. It displays the leaderboard, winner, and more. Now let's enjoy the gameplay. Boom! You've just built your Family Feud game on TriviaMaker. Did this video help you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Smash that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more genius hacks.